Gaucher disease is inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern. It means that both copies of the gene in each cell have mutation, and each parent or carrier. Mutation in the associated gene cause this disease occur. The product of mentioned gene called beta-glucocerebrosidase, which break down a fatty substance called glucocerebrosidase into glucose and ceramide. Without enough of this enzyme, glucocerebrosidase and related substance build up to toxic level within cells. Tissues and organs are damaged by the abnormal accumulation of this substance, causing the characteristic feature of this disease. The affected cells acquire a pathognomonic cytoplasmic pattern named wrinkled tissue paper due to accumulation of distended lysosomes. These cells that we call Gaucher cells are found in many tissues, mostly in liver, spleen, lymph nodes, and bone marrow. Here you can see the wrinkled tissue appearance of Gaucher cells in the bone marrow. Several types of this disease is described based on their characteristic features. Type 1 is the most common form. It is also called non-neuropathic Gaucher disease because the brain and spinal cord are usually not affected. The features range from mild to severe. Major signs and symptoms include hepatosplenomegaly, anemia, and thrombocytopenia because of marrow replacement by affected cells. Bone abnormalities such as lytic lesion, osteopenia, and osteonecrosis. Type 2 and 3 are known as neuropathic forms because they affect the CNS. Abnormal eye movements, seizure, and brain damage are several symptoms in these types. Type 2 usually cause life-threatening medical problems beginning in infancy. Type 3 tend to worsen more slowly than type 2.